Good morning, children. Now today also we'll continue the same chapter, that is chapter 3, safety and first aid. Today I'm going to tell about first aid. What is first aid? First aid is actually the medical help given to an injured person before the arrival of doctor or before proper medical treatment. That is called first aid. It is given at home, at the very place where the person gets injured. Immediately first aid can be given, like first fracture. If fracture is actually a crack or break in a bone, when your bone either cracks or breaks, then it is called a fracture. So the first aid at that time can be given is when, just see here in the figure, if your arm is fractured, give a wooden support, that is called a splint. It will keep your arm straight, and then tie one cloth along at your neck and give support to your arm, which is called sling. So use a splint and sling to keep your arm steady so that it will not move and it will not hurt you much, and then go to the doctor. Now secondly, if you have hurt anyhow in your leg, if there is fracture in your leg, at that time also you can use a splint, the hard thing, either wooden piece or scale you can use to keep your leg straight and tie it so that it will hurt you less, and go to the doctor, get x-ray and get the proper treatment. In case of sprains means when you are playing, at that time if you fall, anyhow your ankle or wrist get twisted, at that time immediately swelling and pain starts in your joint, that is sprain. So in case of sprain, apply ice cubes at that place. It will stop or reduce the swelling, and then apply pain relieving ointment. It will also give you relief from pain, and then you can apply crepe bandage, elastic bandage at that place, and slowly you will get relief from sprain and it will be corrected. Now in case of burns, if the burn is minor, then you can just wash the area with cool running water for some time, then apply some antiseptic cream or lotion on it. And if antiseptic cream or lotion is not present at home, at that time you can apply paste of baking soda and water also on the affected area or burnt area. But in case of severe burn, what will happen? If the burn is severe, go to doctor immediately, and if anyhow blisters are formed, don't prick them, and if it is pricked or broken, then you wash it with antiseptic lotion and cover it so that germs and dust may not sit on it and harm on it. Chemical burns, if anyone is burnt due to acid is a chemical which can burn the skin of the person. If anyone is burnt by acid, at that time wash that area with plenty of water so that chemical must be removed, and after the chemical is removed, then you can give first aid to that person, to the person burnt with chemical. Now in case of animal bites, if anyone is bitten by dog, so at that time immediately wash the affected area with soap and water to remove the germs from that place. After that, apply antiseptic cream and immediately go to the doctor to get anti-rabies vaccine, because rabies is a very dangerous disease which is caused due to dog bite. So anti-rabies injection or vaccine is to be taken after a dog bite. Now children, In case of snake bite, snake is a poisonous animal. If snake bite, anybody is bitten by snake, what should you do? Apply a tight bandage. Now just see, if snake has bitten in her finger, then should apply tight bandage so that blood of this place would not go and mix in the whole blood of the body. So it should be very tight to stop the circulation of blood, and take the victim immediately to doctor. Whoever is bitten, take that person immediately to doctor to get anti-venom injection. Anti-venom injection prevents from death of the victim of a snake bite person. Now poisoning. Things like detergent, naphthalene balls and insect killers are poisonous. Such things should be kept out of reach of the children. In case of any kind of poisoning, one should immediately go to doctor and do vomit immediately, so that all the poison whatever has been ingested by the person accidentally should be thrown out. So induced vomiting should be done to remove the poison from the body. So in this way, children, you have come to know about the fracture and sprain. Fracture is crack or break, whereas sprain is just the twisting of either ankle or wrist. Burns may be severe or may be minor, and burns are also caused due to chemicals. About insect bites, you have come to know that dogs bite and can cause a disease named rabies. Snake bite can be treated by anti-venom injection. So in this way, children, chapter is over, and we'll do the exercises in next period.